Have you ever wondered if hot water could actually freeze faster than cold water? It sounds completely impossible, right? But this phenomenon is very real. It's known as the Mpemba effect, named after a Tanzanian student who rediscovered it in the 1960s. But the mystery goes back much further. Aristotle noticed this defiance of logic centuries ago. Even scientific giants like Francis Bacon and René Descartes recorded their own observations of it. In 1963, Erasto Mpemba noticed his hot ice cream mix froze quicker than the cold ones. When he asked his teacher why, he sparked a scientific debate that continues to this day. So how does it work? One major theory is evaporation. Hot water loses mass as steam. With less water left in the container, the freezing process can actually finish sooner. Then there's convection. Hot water moves more vigorously, circulating heat to the surface. This rapid circulation allows the water to dump its heat into the environment more efficiently. Boiling also removes dissolved gases, which can change how and when ice starts to form. Pure gas-free water behaves quite differently than water filled with tiny air bubbles. Supercooling is another quirk. Hot water might resist freezing until it hits a much lower temp. But once that crystallization finally begins, it can happen with incredible speed and intensity. However, the results aren't always consistent. It depends heavily on the container's shape. Factors like humidity, freezer temperature, and even the purity of the water play a role. Because of these variables, some scientists still debate if the effect is a universal law. Is it a fundamental property of water or just a series of specific coincidences? New research focuses on hydrogen bonds, the tiny links between water molecules. Scientists suggest hot water stores energy in these bonds that can be released very quickly. Whatever the cause, the Mpemba effect reminds us that nature is full of surprises. Even something as simple as a glass of water can hide deep, counterintuitive mysteries. The best part is, you can test it yourself. Grab 2 trays and see what happens. Science is about exploration, so go ahead, experiment, and see the magic for yourself. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the cold. See you next time.